Here we go. Here's my third joke. And this one, I know you guys have heard this before because it's circulated through emails on the internet. You had to have. But I want to share this with you because this is one of my favorite jokes. It's really cute. It's another parrot joke. Okay? So it's the third and last joke that you have to endure for me. I promise. I'm not going to do no more jokes for the rest of this month and probably for the rest of my YouTube because I'm not very good at them. Okay, here we go. So a burglar broke into a house one night and he shined his flashlight around looking for valuables when a voice in the dark said, "Jesus knows you're here." He nearly jumps out of his skin, clicked his flashlight off, and froze when he heard nothing more. He shook his head and continued. Just as he pulled the stereo out so he could disconnect the wires, and clear as a bell, he heard, "Jesus is watching you." Startled, he shines his light around frantically, looking for the source of the voice. Finally, in the corner of the room, he flashes his beam and comes to rest on a parrot in the room. "Did you say that?" he hisses at the parrot. "Yes," the parrot confessed, then squawked, "I'm just trying to warn you that Jesus is watching you." The burglar relaxes. "Warn me, huh? What? Who in the world are you?" "Moses," replies the parrot. "Moses," the burglar laughs. "What kind of people would name a parrot Moses?" "The same kind of people who would name a pit bull Jesus." There you go. I'm telling you, my last one, I promise. Hope you liked it. Have a great day. Keep moving, keep eating healthy, don't give up, and nothing else. Maybe I've entertained you, even if I didn't make you laugh. I hope you enjoyed the stories, whether you felt they were good enough to laugh at. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Check out all my other content. My fitness, I got over 277 workouts just waiting for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.